Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscription button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is totally free. Okay, it will not take anything from you. Just click on the subscription button and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop your comment on the comment section. I'll be there to reply your comment. Do you have any question while watching this video? Please drop it there, and you can refer a friend to learn in this video, all right, by sharing it to others. Today we're going to learn how to measure, how to read the measurement in using tape rule. How to use the measurement using tape rule. This is assumed to be our tape rule, the tape we use as fashion designers. This is assumed to be the tape rule, and we're going to learn how these readings, how these lines, what these lines really mean, what is that line called, and all that. And so that's what we're going to learn. All right, each of these line indicates a name. It has a name. We'll call it in fashion. All right, they all have, each of those lines have a name. We'll call it in fashion. All right, you can see that one line is longer than the other. We have a shorter one, we have a semi longer one, and we have a longer one. All right, let's go down now. That the first one, the first line, okay, the first line is what we'll call 1/8. Especially this is seen in those that are using pattern drafting, that are using pattern drafting. If you look at those pattern drafting, they are measurements that you see 1/8. So don't be overwhelmed that, like, what's 1/8? Okay, 1/8 is that first line. Okay, first line after that iron steel in your tape rule, the beginning of your tape rule. After that iron steel, it is 1/8. Okay, then the second line, you can see the second line is longer than the first line. Okay, the second line is called 1/4 inch. Each of those lines are called inches. Okay, the first one is 1/8 inch. The second one is 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch. We call it 1/4 inch. All right, and so you can notice the difference that the 1/4 inch is a little bit longer than 1/8 of an inch. Then the next one is 1/2 inch. That is 1/2 inch. You see, notice the 1/2 inch is longer, okay, than the 1/4 inch. The 1/2 inch is longer than the 1/4 inch. And so do not forget, the 1/2 inch is half of an inch. Okay, half of an inch. All right, and you can also see that between the 1/4 and half of an inch, there is a tiny line in between them. That's called 3/8. Okay, that's 3/8. Please don't forget. This is mostly seen in a pattern drafting book. Okay, it is 3/8. Okay, don't forget the next one is half, and you skip the tiny one after the half. The third the third long line is what we call 3/4, the one that is marked there, 3/4 line. And that 3/4 line is mostly used also either as allowance or whatever you're told to use it for. Then the next long line is the 1 inch. The 1 inch, you can see that the 1 inch is longer, and then it gets to the end, okay, down part of the tape. Okay, and so the next one to the 1 inch is 1/8, and the next one to 1/8 is 1/4, and the next one is 1.5. Okay, the next one is 1/3. That point it is 1/3. All right, 1/3. So that is the measurement. Okay, you can see it is you can notice that 1.5. Okay, the 1.5 there is the measurement. Please don't forget the reading. There it is 1.5. The next one is 1.75, and the next one is 2 inch. That is how it is being read. We have 2.25. We have 2.5. Okay, and so on and so forth. So also we have 2.75. We have 3. We have 4. So please, if you not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share this post with your friends.